Good morning all of you. In last lecture we discussed about the how chemical formula formed. What is the chemical formula? But now this lecture we discuss about the chemical bond. I already told that sodium chloride they form the formula. Yes, their Valencian down crisscross method we use that form the NaCl. But what is the actual reason behind? Why this form like this? But why the magnesium form double, that is chloride, that is according to the valency. Why here the chlorine 2, here chlorine 1 only? The main reason behind that is the bond. So first of all we see about the what is the chemical bond. Which bond is formed? Why the bond is formed between two elements? See, because sodium configuration 281, chlorine configuration 287, they want to lose one electron. That's why one positive. And here 7, they want to gain one electron. That's why negative. That's why bond formed between them. But if both are stable, for example, helium. Helium is stable, not require an electron, not form the bond with other, always in the monatomic form. You not hear the word that is a He2. Here NaCl. Yes, lot of other compound. But what is the reason behind why the Cl2 will come? That is according to the bond formation. Actually bond form between them. That's why. Yes, first of all we discuss about the chemical bond. Chemical bond is what? When one atom transfer its electron. For example, sodium. When sodium transfer its electron to the chlorine. Yes, when one atom transfer its electron to the another atom, the force of attraction between positive and negative is called a chemical bond. Yes, very easy definition. And second is the ionic bond, ions. The bond between ions, positive and negative ions. Yes, the chemical bond formed when one element transfer its valence electron to the another. Complete transfer, keep in mind. Yes, complete transfer. Complete transfer of electron is there. The bond formed when complete transfer of electron is there, that is called ionic bond. Yes, one more bond is that is a covalent bond. Covalent bond. Yes. First is the ionic bond, that is the second is the covalent bond. Ionic bond also called electrovalent bond. Electrovalent. You know, complete transfer of electron is there, and sodium is called monovalent. Magnesium is called divalent. You know, two type of valency is there. One is a covalency and one is a electrovalency. When a complete transfer of electron is there, the sodium valency complete transfer, that's why it is called electrovalency. And that bond formation is a electrovalent bond. Now second is a covalent bond. The bond form due to sharing of electron. Here the complete transfer, here the sharing of electron. That is called covalent bond. And here valency used is a covalency. Sharing only. Carbon has a 4 covalencies there. Keep in mind. Yes, keep in mind. Now we discuss how we form the covalent and ionic bond. Yes, one by one. First of all, we discuss how we form the ionic bond. Yes, there are two methods to form the ionic bond. Yes, one is in the form of simple form. Yes, formation of sodium chloride. The bond between ionic bond between formation of ionic bond between sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. Yes, first of all, first step in the form of a shell. Yes, that is a nucleus. First shell, second. Here we draw the sodium. Their valency is a 281 according to the valency. We have to do this in the 3 step. Keep in mind. Yes, first. In first shell 2 electron will come. In second 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. And here last shell 1 electron will come. In second step, here you write for the negative, for chlorine. 287, yes, 287. 1, yes, first shell 2 electron, second shell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And last shell how many? 1, 2, 3. Here you draw the cross. We change there. Here we draw the cross. Give different notation. Cross. 4, yes, 5, 6, 7, 7 only. Yes. Now you see here the sodium want to lose 1 electron. In second step you will show. In second step you do. This is the same. But I am drawing here only. In the second step, you transfer 1 electron to the chlorine. Here you draw the cross. And here you draw the 7 electron, 2, 8, 7. Yes. In second step, here you show to transfer 1 electron here. In third step you put the charge on them. So here total electron 11, here 17. But after transfer it become 10, it become 18. So here charge will plus 1, here charge will minus 1. And due to force of attraction between positive and negative charge, they form the ionic bond. A second method to draw this is a very easy method, that is a Lewis dot structure. That depends upon you which method you use, but if in the paper the question comes in the dot structure, you have to draw in the dot structure. If nothing say that, it means you have to use any method. Yes, Lewis dot structure method. Lewis dot structure. Yes, one scientist is there which tells which is the acid, which is the base. Yes, which lose the electron, extra electron is that is called base, or which gain the electron, that is called acid. Yes. Now in the electron form, for example, sodium, their valency 2, their configuration 281, chlorine 287. In first step, yes, valence shell electron you have to draw in the dot form. How many valence shell? 1. Here 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here you transfer 1 electron. Both methods are good. Yes. In the first step, you draw in the dot form. In the second step, you have to show to transfer the 1 electron. So here 8 will come. Transfer 1 electron. So in third step, here no electron is there, 2, 8, stable. Chlorine here 8 will come. So charge is a -1, here 1 positive. So due to force of attraction it form the NaCl. Here also stable, here also stable. So this is the way. Now the second question, why in magnesium chloride 2 chlorine will come? Yes, see. I will do this method with the dot structure, Lewis dot structure. Yes, Lewis dot structure. Magnesium chloride. Yes, magnesium first of all by using the crisscross method. You are Easy, very easy to understand. How many chlorine will come? 2. Yes, magnesium, Mg, 282. First step, dot structure, it means 2 dot, you will form here 7 chlorine. How many chlorine we use? 2. Why? What is the reason behind is there? The reason is there, chlorine want 1 electron here, and here also chlorine 1. The magnesium want to lose 2 electron, but chlorine want to take 1 only. So that's why to make stable magnesium we require 2 chlorine. First step like this. In a second step, you draw what? Lose 1 electron this side and 1 that side. And last step, here 2 positive, here 1 negative, here also 1 negative. So lastly formula form what? MgCl2. Yes, one more structure, that is the magnesium oxide. See there, magnesium oxide. If you want to draw in the circle form, you have to same you draw for the chlorine 2 time in the circle form. Yes, in the shell form, energy shell form. Yes, now go for the magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide. 2 positive, 2 negative, cut. MgO. MgO. Yes, first step. First of all, symbol of magnesium, then oxygen. Yes, configuration 282. 2 electron you have to draw with the Lewis dot structure valence shell. Here 286. How many? 6 electron in the valence shell. So you draw 6 dot. Yes, second step. Magnesium want to lose 2 electron. Oxygen want to take 2 electron. Transfer in the last step. Magnesium, no electron will come. 2, 8. And here oxygen, yes, 8 electron will come, because 2 electron came from the magnesium. That is a 288. Both are stable, and that form the 2 negative. That's why it formed the magnesium oxide. It was very easy. Very easy. Yes, magnesium oxide. Lot of another compound very easily we form like that. Now we discuss about the covalent bond. Yes, covalent bond. Complete transfer of the electron. Covalent bond. Covalency. The valency during these elements show in the formation of covalent bond, that is called covalency. Covalent bond. Complete sharing of electron. Sharing. First of all, we discuss about the structure of the methane by Lewis dot structure. First of all, you decide which one is the central atom. Here carbon is a central atom. Yes, carbon. And how many hydrogen you put? 4. 4 around there. So first of all you see the central atom valency configuration 2, 4. So here they require in valence shell how many electron? 4. So you draw 4 dot here. Hydrogen configuration 1. So here they want 1 electron. In valence shell 1 electron only. Dot 1. Then what do you do here? So you try to make complete the octet tool, 8 electron. Here their carbon have the 4 electron. They form 1 electron with this hydrogen. Sharing, by using sharing. Keep in mind, one bond formed with the 2 electron. Sharing. Sharing, share pair. Pair means 2 electrons. One bond formed with the 2 electron. Keep in mind. It means इसका इलेक्ट्रॉन इसका माना जाएगा, इसका इलेक्ट्रॉन इसका माना. Sharing, मिल बांट के खा लिया. Here also, for example, 4 electron is there. 4, 5. Now 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now carbon have the 8 electron because इसका इलेक्ट्रॉन इसका माना जाएगा in sharing. Covalent bond. So see the hydrogen 1, 2. They are 2 complete duplet. They are also duplet complete. Very easy. Now come on this is the single bond formation. Single bond. Now come on the double bond formation. Two bond form. Yes, see. Two bond form. Oxygen. See. Oxygen, two oxygen. Configuration 2,6,2,6. So here how many dot will come? 6. Valence shell according to Lewis dot structure. Lewis dot structure. Valence shell. See. So 6. They want to complete the octet. Octet rule. Yes, oct. 8 electrons. Yes, now you see how many electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 only. That's why they form the double bond. Now you see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Both 8 electrons completed. Then very easy. Yes. Another way, if you want to make like this covalent bond, yes, in the form of circle, you draw one circle with this electron and another circle for this oxygen. So this two bond will come in this cross. This is another way. Yes, this is the double bond. Two bond will form. Here, two bond will form. This is a series structure. And which not form the bond, that is called a lone pair. How many lone pair is there? 1 and 2. In this side, 2 lone pair. Lone pair means which not make the bond. Here, how many share paired? Which form the bond? That is a 2. Next is the triple bond. See there, triple bond, covalent bond. Nitrogen, N2, C, N. 2, 5. This also 2, 5. How many electron will come? 5 in the valence shell. So 5 dot you will make. Now 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the triple bond will form. How many total lone pair is? 1 and 2. How many bond pair is there? 3. So this is the covalent bond. In case of a covalent bond, nitrogen covalency is 3. Carbon covalency is 4. Always use the word covalency. By sharing the electron, you are able to make the covalent bond. So now this is your chapter, atomic structure. Atomic structure. Firstly, we discuss about the structure of atom. Then we discuss about the chemical formula, polyatomic ion, monatomic ions, everything, ionic bond, covalent bond. So very easy that one. So please revise again and try to write on the copies and try to draw these ionic structure on the copy.